Olive, pass to Kuya Levy, to Ivan. Ivan, guided by Makmak. Jeremy Ingrid, no good. Rebound by Makmak. Makmak, Bautista. Makmak pa rin. Steam by Justin. Nauna na si Kuya Levy. Kuya Levy, reverse. 2 points, Levy Lingüete. 2-0 in favor of Team Ivan. Daniel, out of bounds. Good ball yan, good ball. To Jero. Wow. Baba jersey number 1, Christian Pascual. 9 minutes and 10 seconds ating second game. Justin, to Ivan taking 3, airball. Out of pass, good ball. Good ball. Makmak. Pass to Kubat. Two points. Sila shoot, Christian. Deadlock on 2. Jero super layup. 2 points. Jero nakasala. 4-2 in favor of Team Ivan. Daniel pass to Gubat. Short cover ni Gubat. 2 points. John Mark Gubat. Kuya Levy. Ang natapasa naman kay Olive. 2 points. Number 14. Number 14, Daniel, steal by Kuya Levy. Nagmamadali. Kuya Levy, binigay kay Ivan. 2 points. Ivan, Magday. 8-4 in favor of Team Ivan. Number steal. Ivan. Wow. Foul by jersey number 72, Mac Lagrimas. 7 minutes and 25 seconds. Next game, Team David 2.0 versus Team Tutoy. Good ball. Kuya Levy. Pass to Ivan taking 3. Wala pa rin. Ibabay number 15. Tumakmak. Bautista nagmamadali. Bautista lumipad na. Wala pa rin. Bautista pa rin. Wala pa rin talaga. Ibabay. Kuya Levy nagmamadali. Kuya Levy. Foul. Foul by jersey number 0, Justin Ronel Magday. 6 minutes and 43 seconds. Score natin 8-4 in favor of Team Ivan. Pass to number 15. Short jumper, no good. Rebound by Jero. Jero guarded by Gubat. Jero nagmamadali. Jero side step up is what a move by Jero. Steal by Ivan to Justin. Wala. Rebound by Olive. Block by number 15. 10-4 in favor of Team Ivan. Kanina bola? Miss Bamis? Ay, hindi. Labas lang. Binigay. 6 minutes and 20 seconds ating second game. 15-second shot clock. 13-second shot clock. 10-second shot clock. 8-second shot clock. Still again. 5 seconds to shoot. Miss. Binigay. 10-4 pa rin. 5 minutes and 56 seconds. 10-4 score. 10-4. Ivan, wala pa rin talaga. Rebound by Labas. Bola ng Team Christian Nate. 5 minutes and 49. 10-4. 10-4.
Ay, hindi muna sila kayo David. Asan ba kalapit ako David? Ito, sila ano. Ah, sige, yan muna. Tapos next down. Hindi yan, sila ano. Mataga po rin.
Jero na naman. Super layup na naman is good by Jero Navasera. 5-37. Kung Kubat, ilapit. Kubat, tumakmak. Makmak. Wala pa rin talaga rin by Kuya Levy. 5-23 to Jero. Taking two. No good by number 15. Number 15, pass to Daniel, still by Kuya Levy. Last possession before change. Last possession. No good. Rinabay. Ronel. Wala pa rin dito by Makmak, binabantayan ni Oli. Makmak, binabantayan pa rin. 17 second shot clock. Makmak pa rin. May Makmak pa rin bola. Daniel, pass to Christian sa ilalim. Change score. Score 12-6 in favor of Team Ivan. 12-6. What a basket by Christian Pascual.